Welcome to IQD Dinar News, your go-to source for the latest updates on currency exchange rates, revaluation news, and insights into the Iraqi dinar. Stay informed and ahead of the curve with our timely analysis and breaking developments. Iraq's economic and financial situation, particularly focusing on its gold holdings and its potential to strengthen the value of its national currency, the Iraqi dinar, IQD. To expand this paragraph into a much longer discussion, let's break it down into several subtopics that can be explored in detail, as this will help explain each aspect of Iraq's economic landscape, the role of gold reserves, regional comparisons, and the broader implications of Iraq's current efforts in securing economic stability and diversifying its revenue streams. Iraq, a country rich in natural resources, is now the third largest Arab nation in terms of gold holdings, with a current possession of 152 tons of gold. This makes a significant statement about Iraq's economic strength, considering that gold is a globally recognized store of value and is often used as a reserve asset by central banks to stabilize and back national currencies. Holding large reserves of gold implies a certain level of financial health and can support a country's monetary policy, especially in regions prone to economic volatility. Gold serves not just as a hedge against inflation or currency fluctuations but also as a symbol of national wealth and fiscal discipline. In the context of the Arab region, Iraq's gold reserves position the country above many others in terms of tangible financial assets. As it is one of the largest oil producers in the world. However, oil prices are notoriously volatile, and reliance on a single source of revenue makes an economy vulnerable to external shocks, such as global price fluctuations, political instability, or shifts in global energy consumption patterns. Recognizing these risks, Iraq has been working towards diversifying its revenue streams to reduce its dependence on oil. This effort to diversify is crucial not only for economic sustainability but also for the stability and potential appreciation of the Iraqi dinar. As the country develops other sectors such as agriculture, tourism, industry, and trade, it creates a more balanced and resilient economic structure that can withstand external pressures and provide a stronger foundation for its currency. Diversification is particularly important when considering Iraq's goal of achieving economic stability. Economic stability is a key factor in maintaining a strong currency, as it fosters confidence in both domestic and international markets. When a country's economy is stable, foreign investors are more likely to invest, knowing that their investments will not be subject to sudden or extreme fluctuations. For Iraq, the ongoing efforts to build a diversified economy and secure alternative sources of revenue, such as from non-oil sectors, reflect a broader strategy to stabilize its currency and protect it from the vicissitudes of global oil markets. In terms of Iraq's efforts towards stability, it is essential to consider the broader political and social context as well. For many years, Iraq faced challenges due to political instability, security concerns, and conflicts, which have undoubtedly impacted its economic potential and the value of its currency. However, in recent years, Iraq has made significant strides in improving its security situation and creating a more stable political environment. The stabilization of the country, both economically and politically, is a critical factor in creating the conditions for a stronger currency. A stable country can implement effective monetary and fiscal policies, maintain investor confidence, and foster economic growth, all of which contribute to the appreciation of the national currency. The link between stability and currency value is well known in economic theory. Central banks, such as the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, play a crucial role in managing the country's monetary policy, including the value of the currency. The former governor of the CBI, this viewpoint aligns with broader economic principles, where a stable macroeconomic environment creates the conditions for currency appreciation. Iraq's current position, as one of the more stable countries in the region, further strengthens the argument that its currency could be valued higher. In contrast to some of its neighbors, Iraq has made significant progress in terms of security, governance, and institutional reforms. This progress, coupled with its vast resources both in terms of natural resources like oil and gold, as well as human capital, presents a compelling case for the potential revaluation of the Iraqi dinar. The country's gold holdings, in particular, play an important role in supporting the currency. Gold acts as a financial buffer, providing the central bank with the ability to back the currency in times of need and offering a measure of security against external shocks. In the global economy, currencies are influenced by a variety of factors, including national wealth, trade balances, inflation rates, and investor confidence. Countries with strong resource bases, stable governments, and diversified economies tend to have stronger currencies. For Iraq, its wealth in natural resources, particularly oil and gold, gives it a significant advantage. However, the value of the Iraqi dinar has historically been low compared to some of its regional neighbors, partly due to the country's previous political instability and reliance on oil. Now, with the ongoing efforts to diversify the economy and secure a more stable environment, there is a growing argument that Iraq's currency could be revalued to better reflect the country's underlying wealth and economic potential. Furthermore, Iraq's efforts to increase non-oil revenues are crucial in the long term for supporting a higher value for its currency. Non-oil revenues can come from various sectors such as agriculture, manufacturing, and tourism. Developing these sectors not only provides alternative sources of income but also helps to create jobs, reduce unemployment, and increase the overall productivity of the economy. A more productive and diversified economy strengthens the fundamentals needed to support a stronger currency. It also makes the economy less vulnerable to external shocks, such as changes in global oil prices, and helps to create a more sustainable economic model in the long run. Vision for a more valuable Iraqi dinar was rooted in the belief that stability, security, and sound economic management would ultimately lead to a revaluation of the currency. In many ways, Iraq is moving closer to realizing this vision. With significant gold reserves, a wealth of natural resources, and ongoing efforts to diversify and stabilize the economy, Iraq is positioning itself for a more robust financial future. While challenges remain such as the need for further political reforms, infrastructure development, and continued economic diversification, the foundations are being laid for a more valuable dinar. Thanks for tuning in to IQD Dinar News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more updates on the Iraqi dinar and global currency trends, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. In conclusion, Iraq's current economic trajectory, supported by its gold reserves, diversified revenue efforts, and improving stability, suggests that the country is making a strong case for a revaluation of its currency. The Iraqi dinar, long undervalued due to instability and reliance on oil, could see a significant appreciation as the country continues to build a more stable and diversified economy. Dr. Shaibi's emphasis on stability as the key to a stronger currency remains relevant today, as Iraq demonstrates its commitment to securing a prosperous and stable future. As one of the largest holders of gold in the Arab world, And with a growing sense of security and stability, Iraq is in a prime position to strengthen its currency and achieve greater economic success.